on your Motorola, if you're unable to use mobile data because although it's turned on, but there is no internet, and sometimes it just gets slow, it disconnects randomly after a while, but on the other hand, everything works fine on Wi-Fi, then in this video, we're going to show you how to solve this problem. We're using Motorola Edge 50 Fusion for this video, but this will work just fine on any Moto series phone like E, G, Stylus, or Razr, or any Android running on Android 15. Now, if you're sure you got enough data plan on your SIM, to avoid connection issues, please make sure you're not using mobile data and Wi-Fi at the same time. And while you're here, why don't you just refresh the mobile data network by turning it off, wait for around 10 seconds, and then turn it back on again. If that's not your issue, still having the same problem, let's go ahead and check out some settings. On settings to network and internet, first in this same section, enter data saver. And if data saver is enabled, you might have this problem, so better you disable it. Also, enter unrestricted data, and if you're having the mobile data issue on specific apps, make sure they're allowed to use unrestricted mobile data. Okay, now go back to the network and internet section, to mobile network, enter your SIM settings, and go to SIM preferences first. And here, especially if you're using dual SIM, make sure the SIM you're trying to use mobile data is enabled for data usage. Go back one step and in preferred network type, make sure it's selected to 5G. But if you're in a location where 5G is not available, you might try to change your location and try to use mobile data. Now, talking about changing location, scroll down and in access point names, especially if you're traveling or constantly changing location or moving, you can clear out all the APN cache stored from all the different locations. From this three-dot menu, and then just tap on reset to default. And then let me just force quit this section. And after changing all the settings, just go ahead and give your Motorola a simple restart. Now, in most times, after restart, the problem will be solved. If you're frequently having the same mobile data issue, there might be some customized settings that I've done, but you cannot go back to the default ones. There is a way. For that, from settings, simply search for reset. Go to reset options, and then simply go to reset mobile network settings. All you gotta do is just reset settings. If you have dual SIM, you'll have to reset both of your SIMs one after another. That's all. And let us know in the comment section if your mobile data not working problem is solved. Thanks for watching.